Well, it appears that my friends think that I have a problem. Do I think it's a major issue? Not really, but to them, I guess so. Take a look at this conversation between me and a really close friend. They think that I am an extreme cheapskate, which he wanted me to throw away my tennis, but I'm like, these are my only AC vent shoes. If I throw these away, what's the point? You want me to walk around with hot feet for the rest of my life? No. But apparently, it doesn't stop at the shoes. It goes much, much deeper. Let's take a look.
Yeah, Daddy Bob. Yeah, Daddy Bob.
What's going on?
You washing again?
Wait. Wait a minute, right? Let me tell you something. If I keep the water bill under $50, I'd be alright. So I ain't really washing it. I scrubbing in the washing machine, and I only get like 7 pairs of drawers. So if I don't wash, I go 5. Then I can fall behind, so I gotta keep on washing. But let me ask a question though. How much more where's you think I get on this? Yeah, you are watching TV?
Yeah, but it's hard though.
Alright.
Come watch the movie and start and you want to hear it. Alright, good.
I know what they dealing with. It don't be maybe easy, but these niggas been killing me lately. And they talking about look, I guess I'm for them. The Dolphins can't win. I can't get paid. And so I have to do this, but some things in life just gotta do. Entry. What yet begins.
Not a secret.
EPL. Not a secret. EPL does it again.
Of course.
What's going on, boy? I go, man. Man, I was waiting on you to come around there, man. I really need some things that you just have to say, like, can do healthy, you know what I mean? I need that tree cut. I need them edges trim. And probably the hibiscus thing over there. How much that charge me? How much that cost me? About 60. 60. I was thinking more like $49.99.
Brother might be hollering, man.
60? Alright. I see you bring the machine, right?
Yeah. I'm right here to make sure.
What if I put like $5 gas in
No.
it?
Ho. I don't know what not gas. You can't just put any all kind of gas inside. This is expensive.
A special kind of gas.
Yeah.
Man, I mean, if you look at this, right? This ain't, you could easily chop this. That's only $60, man. This ain't no $60 job, man. I need you to get for
this. That one over here. This one over here. You gotta put in my labor now.
He's so labor.
Yeah, you gotta look at the tree cutting. And you gotta look at my labor.
Well, all less, right? All less. Lemons?
No, to see.
They do where the gas is go.
Yeah, that's what I tell you. It's a special kind of gas.
Yeah, I mean, I do this kind of thing.
No, this ain't like no machine you ever had. You just come around and
Alright.
But see, stop clicking things.
Sorry.
See what he's saying? So, when you gotta add it down in the back, yeah?
Right.
See,
Right.
that's the reason why I bring
gas
it
in
back.
it?
No, see, come on, you can hurt somebody.
Right.
See, that's why I tell you.
Boss, man, let me hold on my dime, man. Let me catch a little feeler. So this how you do it? Man, I only want to think that, man.
Watch it, boy.
What I need to do? What I need to do to get this through for $49.99, bro?
Listen, man.
Wait,
you gotta
you can't leave here until.
Watch it.
Man, do something for me, man. Do something for me.
Listen, okay. All right.
I laugh, am I serious?
You're 55.
What's you good? 55? 54.99. 1 cent get out of style, man. You can fucking 55.
All right.
Yeah.
54.
99.
9.
What I saying is right. If we take the tree out.
You're really trying to get this to $40.
Yeah.
All right, take the tree out. I get 45.
You just wash it with gloves? I get one made and then
No. Don't. 45.
Alright, boss. I mean, 45 is good.
Alright.
25
Good.
skate. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. You only want to know what
I got.
Okay.
I'm gonna tie, but I got.
Yeah. Alright, get yeah.
Cheap bastard. I don't do that thing. Fucking black people. Get my ass in here.
Hello.
Housekeeping?
This Miss Birdie?
Yeah, this Miss Birdie.
Big Shirley?
Right to the place? Right to the right place?
Miss Birdie, Big Shirley, that's you?
Yeah, Mr. Stewart, how you doing?
Yeah, man.
I could.
Now, before you step in my house, how much you say you was charged again?
I go 25 by the hour.
Uh-huh. And how long you plan on being here?
It depends on how much work you got going on.
Okay. Alright. She ain't gonna be here long at all. Okay, Miss Birdie, Big Shirley.
Yeah, Mr. Stewart.
You see what's going on here, right? I need clothes
lot of
fold.
work.
A lot of work. Oh, for you, Miss Birdie, Big Shirley. This is small things. I need my clothes fold. I need dishes washed. I need floor mop. You could do that. You could handle that?
Yeah.
Mr. You sound like you serious, man. You could handle that?
Yeah, this could work. I just need you to remember my rates.
Yeah. Yeah, I got your rates in mind. These clothes here, I need you to do nothing special. Don't do this. You see this? Don't fold up. Roll up. In the essence of time, I need you to roll now.
Well, what you in a rush for today? Where you gotta go?
I ain't gonna give you. You here do long. I know you got things to do.
Well, you know my price.
Right.
25 hours.
25 hours.
That's a lot of clothes.
25 hours. I ain't start today. Yeah. Okay.
Half an hour.
Half hour to roll some clothes. I won't knock it off the price too much. You're saying.
That's a full box.
I know you got things to do. I ain't gonna keep you all day, right? This is here. You see this? This watermark in the sink? Don't go above that.
Well, how you?
Miss, water and sewage ain't your friend. No matter what they tell you, they only charge you every 3 months, but when that bill come out sometime, just be wondering if that's your bill. Then they gotta carry a land papers to pay them. Then yeah. The last thing I need you to do.
Yeah.
When you're mopping, right? Let me see how I can explain this. Oh, hold on. Very big job. Miss Birdie, Big J.
So, your friends.
You see that? Hold that.
Not about a spit in here.
You see this bucket? You see the fucking bucket? Don't put no water in here. Let me tell you what to do. The reason I tell you that, I ain't trying to be cheap. I just trying to work
Try
with you. You see this mop?
Well, that's my own.
This mop ain't with a rat sauce right now. You see that? I don't know what to call that. Anyhow, if you try put it in there, it ain't coming back. So what I need you to do, right? I need you. Get a cup. Fill the cup. No, don't fill the cup. Fill the cup to here. Gently pour. Replace the cup. And you just make a way. You know, say Jesus make a way. You call on Jesus to make a way to help you mop this floor. Can you do it?
Call me Moses because I don't have to build a whole lot.
How long is it going to take you to do? Keep in mind I only got $50 now.
Hold on, I got to go in this picture. First off, you want to give me a spit? Fabulous.
It's really big silly. I think you need to go. Yeah, my place.
You don't want your clothes full, you want them rolled.
I only want people who serious.
Yeah, but you ain't serious.
You ain't serious.
Yeah. Well, you know what? You take your spit of Fabuloso and you all do well.
That's how you dog my Fabuloso.
You're no good. You ain't worth nothing. You want this house can stay dirty. Yeah, I got time for this. Good.
So, yeah, I mean, I guess I'm a cheapskate. I'm frugal. Very economical at these hard times. Alright, so that's that. I don't think it's a problem. But what I really want to do is say a big thank you to all my friends that came through and helped me make this video a success. And all of you who are helping to make my YouTube channel a good experience for everyone. For liking, sharing, subscribing, and all that. My friends, I gotta give big shout outs to them. Trevon, Antilio, Michaela, and of course my wife. You gotta put a T on there to make it authentic. Because, like I said, it's really hard to get a lot of people together at the same time same place, on time, on the same page. So I just want to tell you all, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for allowing me to do what I like to do, and thank you for understanding, even though it didn't always make sense. You guys, good. I never know how to wrap stuff up. Anyway, I go on. Bye.